Hello. In this video, I will show you how to convert ChatGPT text to a human text. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly, what you have to do is open ChatGPT and you will need a plugin called AIPRM. So just simply search this on your Google Chrome browser or any browser. Then open the first link and install the plugin onto your browser. So just simply click on add to whatever browser you may have, then install the plugin. Then just simply refresh ChatGPT and you should find this type of interface. So wait for a few seconds and you will have the interface. Now, over here, just simply search for article or whatever you want. And right over here, you should find a bot called human writing, as you can see. So click on this option. And now just simply enter the keyword or the title of the thing that you want from ChatGPT. So just simply write that over here. Then just simply hit enter on your keyboard. And then just simply wait for ChatGPT to write the entire article. Now, once the article is complete, just simply copy the entire thing. So just simply copy it and just open 0GPT, then open the first link over here, then paste your entire article over here. Then click on detect text. So as you can see right over here, according to the website, the article is 72% AI. So now let's change that. So what you have to do is just simply open a new tab and then just simply go to the link given to you in the description box below. And that should take you to this website over here. Now, over here, just simply scroll down and paste the same article again. And then just simply paste this number over here in this box. And now just simply click on originality. And now wait for it to rewrite the entire thing. And now after the article is again completely rewritten, simply copy the new article over here. Then again go to the detector page and test this one as well. So remove the previous one and paste the new one. And now just simply click on detect. And now wait for a few seconds. So as you can see right over here, the AI presence was reduced by a lot. So now to get it absolutely zero, all you have to do is just simply rewrite the entire thing. So what I mean is just simply copy this and paste it right over here at the top. Then copy this number and paste it right over here. Then rewrite this again. So wait for a few seconds. Now after the rewriting is again complete, copy this and just simply check in the detector and see if it is improved or not. So paste the article again. So as you can see after that, there is 0% AI in the text. So that's it and thank you for watching. And do like subscribe to our channel and take care.